Hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sal. If you're new, please press that subscribe button and turn on those notifications. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I actually remove my nostril hairs. 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Yes, we're talking about nostril hairs. Some people may choose not to do it, but with me, being Turkish, I think my background does kind of make me more hairy because my family's hairy, like my mum, my dad, maybe not my mum mostly, but yeah, my family, we do have a lot of hair. And recently, as I'm getting older, I'm getting hair all over my body in different places that I don't actually want. So for example, I'm getting hair on my shoulders and I'm just like, wow, this needs to be removed. So I have been having laser hair removal for a while, but due to being in lockdown, I can't go, and it's been over a year now. So my hair has come back and turned into a forest. However, we're not going to be talking about the body, we're going to be talking about nose. With me, I did a video not long ago, it's been a while. Why am I saying not long ago? Say around 3 to 4 years ago, on how I actually removed my nostril hairs. So my hairs grow so long, literally, it looks like spider legs are coming out my nose. So when I'm talking to someone or I'm taking pictures and I zoom into it, I can see these long nostril hairs sticking out. I trim them and they just grow so fast. So my only option is either you can have laser around it. I can't do that at home, so what I'm going to do is actually go ahead and wax my nostrils. So what I'm using today is called a hard wax. Hard wax is very different to strip wax. Strip wax you must apply and pull off with a strip. Hard wax you let it dry and peel off. What I love about this as well, you can repeat it, and for example, when you put it in your nostrils, it doesn't actually grab onto the skin. It dries on around the hairs and you just pull it out, grabs the hairs out, and you're hair free for a couple of weeks. So usually I do this on a regular, say every 4 to 6 weeks, but recently I haven't touched my nostrils in around 6 months, so you can imagine how they're going to be looking under there. What I'm going to do is show you how I actually wax my nostrils at home and what I use. It's really easy and you only need a few things. But before we begin, I need to remove my nose ring because I would recommend taking it off before you do anything. So let's go ahead and remove it. To do this treatment on yourself, you're going to need a wax pot and some cotton buds. I'm going to be using quite a few cotton buds, and I'm waiting for the wax pot to heat up. Make sure the temperature is set to a warm one. You don't want it to be over hot and burn yourself. Remember guys, do a temperature test on the back of your hand here and see how hot it is. Oh, I love it guys. It's like, you know, have you ever burnt a candle and you dipped your finger in and you just love the feeling of it? I love the warmness on this. Once the temperature's okay, you can go ahead and proceed with the treatment. So the first step is clean your nostrils. Apply into your nostrils. So it's in my nostrils now. I'm going to wait a couple of minutes, let it set, and then I'm going to pull. So if you feel it, guys, press down here, let it sit into place, and then let it dry. Once it's dry, you're going to pull. So what I would say is stretch your nose. 3, 2, 1. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, I am so hairy, it's unreal. Some people are going to say, oh, you shouldn't be waxing your nostrils, but it's my own preference and I don't like hairy nostrils. So yeah, a lot has come out. I'm going to show you guys. Are you ready? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to repeat the step and I'm going to put it in my nostrils here. Right here. This is where most of my hairs sit. Okay, let that sit into place. And again, I'm going to wait a couple of seconds. You can see it is sticking. 1, 2, 3. So once that's done, you're going to pull. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, this one hurt a bit more for some reason. Now I'm hair free, and this is going to last me around 3 to 4 weeks, even longer depending on everyone's hair growth. I'm not going to lie to you, sometimes I feel like I can breathe better once I wax around my nostril area. Do not go all the way up because you don't want to pull out your brain. It's not going to happen, but just be careful guys. I just want to say a big thank you for everyone that's watched the video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe and turn on those notifications and come back for more videos. Also, if you want to head over to my Instagram and follow me over there, I do post daily. We can chat, we can chill and get to know each other, and I'll see you soon guys.